Reach, Ate. Push, Ate, too.
Your brakes. So it's chips. He's like, where are them chips at?
No chips.
No chips, man. He just wants the chips. Hey, buddy.
Why you have 20?
Put on your Uton, baby.
Power's gone. Bye-bye. Mama's going now. Forrest, bye-bye. You have a dog in there. Ay. Forrest. Bye-bye, Forrest.
Baby turn.
Come here. It's your turn.
Folks, how's everybody doing? A little barbecuing tonight. Old lady took a whole chicken, cut it up. Just throw that bird on the barbecue. It's a beautiful night here. It's cool. If I had a little breeze, it'd be better, but still, I'll take the cool weather. It's beautiful, beautiful day here in the Philippines. Just a lazy Sunday. Took the babies for a walk, bicycle ride. Just been chilling all day. Hope y'all had a great day wherever you're at. nibbling. You're always nibbling.
No filter. No. No. Some money. Sana naman ito.
Oh, let's go see the rabbits. Now, folks, now the aircon is going, but that sound is so deafening out here. It's crickets, whatever the hell they are. I mean, it's like making my ears ring. It's like peaking the audio. You might not be able to hear a word I'm saying, but these things are all in the calamansi tree. I don't know if I clap my hands if I could get them to hush for a second. Let me stomp my feet and check it. Nope. I mean, it's like somebody whistling in your ear. It sounds like there's a million of them, but I don't know. It's just loud. They're right here behind me. Most of them right here in the calamansi tree. Sounds of nature. That is some kind of meal. How's it taste, everybody?
Mommy.
Yummy? Alright, good job, sweetie girl. And we're eating Filipino style tonight with our hands on the rice. Maria, would you like a spoon or a fork?
No spoon. No fork. No.
No, you're gonna eat like Mama Tima, Filipino style.
Hands mo?
Okay, well, folks, we're in the Philippines. Take a gander at that right there. We're truly, truly blessed tonight.
Mixed.
Fatima, as long as she's got chicken and rice, she's happy.
Yeah.
With a little soy sauce, little tuyo,
Yeah, with calamansi.
with a calamansi.
sorry.
Oh my god. If she had magic syrup on that chicken, she'd be in heaven.
Daddy, you have toyo.
Yeah. Masarap. Papaluto masarap, diba?
Mama Tima too.
Aw, so sweet, Maria. You're a sweet girl.
Mama,